A very special day because we are going to announce a collaboration between Madras Diabetes Research Foundation and Premas Life Sciences. I'd like to welcome Mr. Gupta from Premas Life Sciences and Dr. Radha, Head of Genomics at the Madras Diabetes Research Foundation. So you'll be wondering what this is all about. So as you know, today we are in an era of genomics, that is studying the gene to find out various diseases. But apart from genomics, there are also many other omics which have come. So we have proteomics, transcriptomics, metabolomics, lipidomics, many other omics have come. Of course, it's very difficult for one lab to do all the omics, but since we have already been doing a lot of work in genomics, we are now expanding that, and one of the new equipments which, thanks to the collaboration with Premas, we have been able to establish here is what is called as the next gen sequencing, a very advanced genomic facility, and Dr. Radha and Mr. Gupta will talk about that. So Premas can take this forward and establish a new chapter facilities. So that's why we call it as multi-omics. Research, technology and gene sequencing studies for which blood has been stored in our deep freezer technology to India. And so today we'll be signing an MOU and we'll be extending this partnership model. Of course, I won't spend time on why, whether we're the capital or not the capital can debate that, because China also has lots of people with diabetes. But if were there in the UK and so on, it was there, but still from other places, Germany and other places, they have sent us samples and said, you do it at MDRF, and they even sent their team to check the quality, and we found that the quality was very, very good. In fact, I'd like to share a story with you that on two occasions, through our collaboration, one with Norway and one with UK, we had Exeter, where the place, where supposed to be the mecca of genomic medicine. So we, in one of our thing, once with Norway and once with this Exeter lab, we got a difference. And they reached out to us and said, why you have got this? So we rechecked it, and they got different result and we got different result. So then we checked it and we said, I think we are right. Why don't you check yours now? And they checked it, and on both occasions we were right and they were wrong. So,
how are we going to do, what is the new infrastructure that we are going to build, and how are we going to take our research from this level to the next level, to a very high level? So that is really powered by NovoSeq X. NovoSeq X is the machine that we have procured. We have installed it in Siruseri, MDRF, which is about 30 kilometers from. It does. So far we've been doing gene by gene, very slowly, one by one. And doing one by one, the speed is going to be really low and low throughput. So now, because of this machine, we are really able to scale up, and then we are able to really do an unprecedented speed with which we are able to do the work. And what does that give? That gives us enormous power. That gives us, now we are able to easily deliver precision medicine, easily delivered to the clinic. The very fast, very good quality product, very good quality measurements, genetic measurements, etc. And then we are able to expand the capacity to various, the population we are able to expand. For example, what we were doing in, hundreds and thousands, we used to take the research grade accuracy. So this technology is extremely accurate and very, very precise. So Tamil sollanuna romba thulyam. So thulyama pandra research can be, that is the precision medicine, can certainly be delivered by this machine. That is the reason why we got this technology to MDRF. So he's the main person who's working on this along with us, and this is the machine that we are talking about, the NovoSeq X. So this is high throughput next generation machine. Even the closing and the opening and putting in this sample, everything, it's highly automated system. So we will just show you a little bit of that. So this is where the samples are kept, and once that closes, and then once the program is done, everything is, all the readings and measurements come over. So what?
World's most advanced sequencer, which is a MDRF. I just want to give you a little brief glimpse why Premas and what is Premas. Premas is a 20-year-old organization which has been operating in India. We are known to be bringing some of the most cutting-edge technologies in the country. We have partnered with brands like Illumina, which are market leaders in multi-omics technologies. We have close to about 25 PhDs who are working with us, and we have been instrumental in basically partnering with lots of cutting-edge projects in the country. The large-scale 10,000 genome project, or a COVID seed project, or any other large-scale project, we've been basically part of it. So today, when we got a chance to basically work with the leaders in the metabolic disorder space, MDRF said 7 lakh patient data, a large cohort projects here, such a large biobank, massive clinical history. Imagine a setup like this is powered with the most advanced technology for doing multi-omics.
Sir, photographer.
Look at that.